A generator can be a godsend when the power goes out. There's no comfort like keeping your house functioning like normal, even in a blackout. But there are some things you need to know before your Northampton, Pennsylvania generator installation. Shafnisky Electric is the go-to generator installer in Northampton County. We want to make sure you're ready for unexpected power outages, so we're here to prepare you. Most generators run on fuel, and there are several to choose from. Natural gas is the most common choice for residential generators. But when this option isn't available, propane is a good alternative. You also need to know which permits are required for installing your generator. Permitting requirements depend on the scope of your project and the local regulations. Still, you may need mechanical, electrical, zoning, and building permits to avoid fines and other problems. While a generator is an excellent addition to your home, it can also be dangerous. It produces carbon monoxide, so codes mandate that you place your generator at least 5 feet from any house opening, including vented soffits, windows, and doors. Finally, you need to maintain your generator properly. Checking the battery, replacing spark plugs, and changing the oil and air filters will ensure your generator works when you need it. But not everyone is comfortable with maintenance tasks of that level. For those who wish to avoid all of that, we are always happy to take care of such needs for you. We don't just disappear forever the moment the job is done. At Shafnisky Electric, we'll ensure your new generator is installed safely and properly. And if you need help to keep it in tip-top shape over the years that follow, we are just a phone call away. Are you ready to benefit from a home generator installed by the true pros at Shafnisky Electric and never suffer under a power outage again? Call us today to get started.